Hi guys, my name is Alex and I'm an IT technician for HSR Pro, and I'm the one who is responsible for the warranty, service, repairs, and also provide the technical support after the warranty has expired. And today's video is like the quick video based on two subjects. The one would be warranty that I mentioned, and the second would be the installation guide, quick installation guide, how to install the cameras and monitors in your car, but that's a little bit later. The first of all, regards the warranty and buying the stuff online. And yeah, you know, there's the saying, seeing is believing, but don't let the people deceive you with a fake or bought ratings or super crazy price just for you to click on the item and just to buy it. Because, you know, with warranty, what happens if the item goes faulty, let's say within 3 to 8 months since you bought it, once you bought it? I mean, electronics are electronics, and they do go faulty. It happens, unfortunately, it happens like with any other device. And then what are your options afterwards if such a thing happened? And well, the option would be to send it back to the seller. And here are two things. The one thing is to reach the seller itself, and the second thing is the costs of sending it back. And that's where it involves the situation that I want to talk about. Is like what's important when you're buying the stuff online. It's very important to see where the seller is located. Like, it's before you have made actual purchase, just to find out is he located in Germany or is he located somewhere abroad? Because when you need to contact him regards your faulty device, regards the warranty, it's how you're gonna contact him or what you're gonna do with the device. Because if the seller is based somewhere outside of Germany, it becomes very costly to send the item back. Because just for example, to send such as like some small device abroad, it's around like 50 euros that you need to pay, and that's the one thing. The second thing is it's very time consuming. It's 30 days just to send it one way. So just to give you an example, you have to send the small device, send the camera back somewhere abroad. That costs you 50 euros. You have to wait 30 days. Then either they swap it or repair it to send you back. That's another 30 days. And that's another minimum 50 euros on top of that. So that's really time consuming, and it's money wise, it's not good at all, just to say in the simple words. Just takes a lot of money and a lot of time. So it's very important, guys, before you buy the stuff online, just to find out where the seller is located actually, and how to keep in touch, how to contact with him. Because that's another important thing. When you can simply pick up the phone, and when the seller is located in Germany, you just pick up the phone and say, hey, I have this technical problem, so on, and can you explain it to me what to do and how to sort it out? Or even if needed, then you can physically just come to the seller and say, okay, can you show me how to do it? And that's what we provide. Anytime you can come to our store, which is located in Hamburg, Germany, where you can talk to me when you have some technical questions and issues. You can come with your car, and I would just help you to go and reconnect everything and explain you how the things works. And that's the important thing which you can't get when you buy the things from the people somewhere abroad. There is no physical place to turn up and say, hey, can you help me to connect this or this, and or why this is not working. And that's the big plus when you buy something from the seller who is located locally, so to speak, in Germany, where you can just turn up and ask for the help. And the second part, as I mentioned, would be to show you how to connect up the cameras. It's just short step-by-step guide how to do it rightly and what are the options to do the connection. So let's go for the other part, to connect up the devices. Now I'm going to show you the fourth device here, which is navigation system and also back view monitor. And this thing works slightly different than these three I showed you before. And let me show you now how to connect this one. Also wirelessly, it works with a wireless and with a cable connection. So let me show you how it works. What we have here is just the standard mounting, so that could go on your dashboard or the windscreen. Charging cable, video cable. This is the wireless receiver to pick up the wireless signal from the camera. And the charger. This charger has the two USB ports, and the good thing about it is they both work at the same time. So you can use the navigation and at the same time you can use the same plug to charge your phone or whatever device. So how this is connected wirelessly. So for wireless connection, again, the plug for cigarette lighter, we take now the receiver, we plug it in here into the charger, and the next to it, 2.4mm jack. It's only one way to connecting it, so there's no difficult anything to do. Then you plug it into the charger, into the transmitter like this. So once that is plugged in, the device turns on here. You can see now it's on. So once the device now is on, I'm going to show you. That's all done with the front. This is for the wireless connection. All you need to do is just plug in into the charger basically, with the transmitter in between the device and the charger. That's as simple as that for the wireless connection. And now we're going to move to the back of your car. And here what we need is, we again take, for the wireless connection, we take this transmitter. And what we do is, we connected wireless transmitter, 3 plugs here. Again, yellow to the camera. And this red one to the black to the camera. There's only one way to connecting it. And now the third one will be connected to the power source, which is at the back of your car from the reverse light. Once you plug this thing in, the sensor will beep to indicate that it's been turned on. As you can see, the transmitter lights up as well. But again, just a quick notice, that will light up only when the gearbox is in the reverse position, when the reverse lights are on. That's the moment when you have the power source to the camera. And as you could see, at the moment I plugged in, the navigation itself turned from being navigation into the back view monitor. It turns into HD back view monitor here, as you can see. And that happened automatically as soon as we put into the reverse position gearbox. So you don't need to switch between the navigation and the reverse view. It does it automatically. Once you put the back in neutral, you finish moving backwards, then it switches automatically back to the navigation. That's how it works. This is the way you're connecting it with a cable, with a wireless connection, but now we're going to do the connection with a cable. Cable connection will be here. Only you need to do is you disconnect the transmitter and you plug it in the charger where charger should go. And now we're going to use this little yellow cable, video cable. We're going to plug it in next to the charger. That's only one way to plug it in. So, and now for the camera, what we do here is we're going to use this 10-meter cable that's included with the camera. We're going to take it here. Again, 2 goes to the front, 3 goes to the back of your car. So here we're connecting, in this case, only the yellow to the camera. That's it, nothing else. That's all done here, just one cable. At the back, what we do is again yellow to the camera, and black to red. And the third one is the power 12-volt source. As you see, it beeped. Camera means it's on, and automatically it switched into the monitor from the GPS navigation. So as you can see here, that's how it is. I'm just touching the sensors, so that's why it's beeping. But therefore you need to make sure there's nothing covers the sensors themselves. That's how parking sensors works, and that's it. So this is the connection with a cable. So what you need to pay attention to is that from 10-meter cable you use only the yellow plug into the front. The red one, you just don't need it. That is with a cable connection. And at the back, it goes yellow to yellow, only one way to connect red to black, and then red to red goes to the power source and the reverse light of your car. And this is the setup you're connecting with a cable connection, this device, which is GPS navigation, also back view monitor that switches between automatically. So that's it for today, for this video. Thank you very much, and until next time.